are going to love the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, front wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, power windows, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.